YouTube? So today is what up YouTube? It's your boy iFitting. Can't forget my introduction. But anyways, today I'm doing a random unboxing video. One of my students, actually one of my favorite seventh graders, shout out Brendan, got me a gift today. Yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it. So today, before school starts, I'm about to see what it is, and I want you guys to see my reaction to it. He's a good kid, so I'm pretty sure it's a good gift. So let's see what it is. And green is my favorite color, by the way. I don't know if he knew that or not. I'm keeping this ribbon too. Shoot, might even keep the bag. Look how shiny this thing is, man. Okay. Oh, he tied a knot. Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay, so it's only right that before I open the boxes, I read the card first. The envelope is also green. And I love how he put it in the little sports bag since I'm a coach. Man, Brendan, you are awesome. Even the card itself is green. It says, Happy Thanksgiving. Look at the little mischievous kid on the front of the card. It says, Coach Daniels, I thought you'd be looking for the bird since it's Thanksgiving early. Hope yours is flipping great, Brendan. And I love this kid. Okay, it's one FedEx box. So the fact that it's in a FedEx box means he ordered it. Man, again, I say, shout out Brendan. Nice. Yes, he got me some pennies so we can separate teams. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. And once again, green. Hopefully these are different colors so that we can do two separate teams, or we'll just have penniless against pennies if it's the same color. Okay, it is the same color. Nice. Yeah, I'm convinced he knew my favorite color was green. Yeah, it's official. He knew my favorite color was green. Well, that's it. You know, green wrapping paper, green bag, green ribbon, green envelope, green card, green pennies. Thank you so much. I feel so green, and that's a good thing. Appreciate you, Brendan. Shout out once again. If you have a channel, let me know what it is, and I'm gonna shout it out. iFitting out.